Hi folks, and welcome back to Math with Captain Ron. I'm making this video here to demonstrate how to simplify complex numbers, or I should say add and subtract complex numbers. So we've got three examples across the board here. Let's start with this one right here. So 4 minus 4i minus 10 minus 2i. And again, what we're looking at is a pair of complex numbers. 4 minus 4i is one complex number. The real part is 4, and the imaginary part is the minus 4i. And then minus this complex number, the real part is 10, and the imaginary part is minus 2i. So the first thing I'd recommend here, is to distribute this minus sign. So this is going to read 4 minus 4i minus 10, and by the time we distribute this, we're going to have plus 2i. And then it's just as simple as adding the imaginary parts and adding the real parts. So 4 minus 10 is minus 6, and then negative 4 plus 2i is minus 2i. That's it. That thing's done. Let's take a look at this middle example here. So let's see. We got 24 minus 20i. And again, we'll distribute this minus sign. So minus 96. And then this product is minus 45i. And now we just do the real versus the imaginary parts. So we want to take 24 minus 96. And what is that? 70. I think that's 62. Just take a moment here. Whoops, 72. Yeah, it's early in the morning, folks. All right, so we get 72, and then we get negative 20i minus 45i, and that's going to be minus 65i. And that's it. There's really nothing else to do with that one. Take a look at this third example here where we got 7 minus 6i plus 5i. This one does not have a real part, and that's perfectly fine. So when we add the real parts, we're adding 7 to 0, which is just 7. And then we add the imaginary parts, which is minus 6i plus 5i, and they add to minus 1i. All right, and that's it, folks. I mean, that's all there is to adding and subtracting complex numbers. And of course, if the numbers get bigger or the fractions or whatnot, maybe the examples could be a little longer and a little bit more work in writing. But conceptually, you add them just like this. You, for example, add or subtract the real parts, and you add or subtract the imaginary parts. And that's all there is to it, folks. I hope that this video helps demonstrate these things. Have a great day.